outside the Ruabon branch of HSBC, where its customers have today been notified, along with the customers of the HSBC branch in Chirk, that both branches will close. While HSBC are arguing that it makes commercial sense to close these branches because more people are going online, we know that local branches continue to be profitable, and that the people who will be especially hardest hit by these closures are elderly people, where 33% of people over 75 have never been online, and disabled people, where 27% of disabled people have never been online. Also, it will have a detrimental effect on the high street, not only of Ruabon and Chirk, but of nearby communities such as Penacai, Kevmawr, Glenceiriog, Llansantffr, where the local businesses need to be able to go to their local banks in order to cash their daily takings. So please join us in the campaign to try and ensure that banking services remain in the community.